Mitch, I hear you in the press conference and I hear that you have opposite feelings.
I'm happy for the result, don't get me wrong, but I just don't feel like I did a good job in the race. I made a lot of mistakes, and for that I feel like, yeah, happy, but I got a little bit lucky as well. But the main thing is we got it done, and yeah, it was important for my own championship and also for the team. It's a home race, so we want to be on the podium. Obviously, we want to be on the top set, but it was not possible today. So yeah, third is great, and now we charge on to Berlin and go all in for that race, and hopefully we can have a clean weekend and put ourselves in towards the top of the championship.
There were some complicated moments during the race.
There was many complicated moments. All to blame for, was all my own fault. But look, I was able to recover and keep composed and calm and relatively and come away with a good result. So yeah.
Now arrive Berlin, the two last races. How do you leave this moment before the end of the championship?
Yeah, it's gonna be a fierce battle between everyone. It's gonna be very tight, as you saw here. Everyone's operating at a very high level. So obviously we're gonna have to learn from all the data from last year and come back and hopefully pull off a real clean weekend and hopefully have some good speed.